the, like, you have already a documentation, and your manager said that, okay, this documentation need all the, like, words first letter should be the capital. So that means you have to remove all those information and write by manually, like. So instead of doing this, you can just simply select that, and then you can change the case. And if you want to make all the uppercase, just select the uppercase. And also if you want to change the toggle case, so it will show toggle case. And also, like, here, if I give the sentence case, I'm not sentence case is basically maybe the, like, the basic one, like after the full stop it will start with the uppercase. Okay. Okay, so these are the basic tools of your what it calls uh Word document. And see, this documentation is here, it's automatically here. Okay, you don't need to save, it will save automatically. Okay, so it will just behind the scene, it will um sync up your uh, information, and it will update automatically your file. You don't need to save, and you don't need to worry about the internet connection or those things, because it will be saved automatically. Okay, and also if you want to download this, so just go to the file. Okay, then click on the save as. Okay, and click on the save as. So here it will uh, okay, why it's not supporting? Okay, I think this save as will work only inside the files I have in the OneDrive. So, okay, if I want to download this, so I think I can simply download from here. Then select this and click on the download. So it will download in my local machine. Okay, see, it will download in the local machine. And yeah, okay, let me see if I want to make it into the PDF. PDF, click on the file. Then uh go to save as. Okay, yeah, download as PDF. See, so if I click on the download as PDF, so it will download as, and it will convert this document file into the PDF file, and then it will download, and you can send this file an email. Okay, it's taking a little bit time, I don't know. I don't know why it's taking too much time, because my document file is not bigger, but uh is there issue or my internet issue? I'm not sure about this. Let me try again. Okay, here it is. So if I
Can
save
I
it,
ask a question? Why are we changing it to PDF? What's the difference? Directly taking
okay,
it to download or
yeah,
in that?
it's okay. Sorry. So your question was like why we need the file into PDF format, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
why we should download that?
Mhm.
Am I correct? Okay. So first of all, sometime you will need, like, I want to share this document file, but I don't want that who will get my document file and he will be able to edit this file, or he will be able to change the information. Okay, this is one scenario. Another scenario, when, like, this in this document file I have only like some text, right? But some in maybe in the documentation you have, you may have the so many pictures, you may have so many tables, you may have so many like what it calls, some clips. Okay, so many things it can contain in your documentation. So what happens, like if you send this doc file directly, the doc file, okay, this document file to someone, um he may get that document and he may have not the latest version of the Microsoft Word. Okay, so what can be happen, like he will open the documentation and the text or the image can be broken. Okay, so to avoid these type of things, okay, like I don't want, yeah, obviously if I send into the PDF format, that person will be able to change the edit the information by using the PDF editor. But still, like we at the first time, uh he'll not be able to edit the information. And the second thing, like I don't want that if I send my file, and I don't want that it will break the information in the who will get that file. So what you can do, if we make that file into the PDF format and you send this file directly, nothing will break. Okay, the way
Okay.
you were watching here, exactly that person will also get the same into the same format.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
yeah, you are
And
welcome.
also another thing, if I can add. So when you send it in like Word document, what happens is a lot of people may not have an account with the Word. They
Mm-hmm.
might not even have the app. So when they open it, they might not even have permission or they can't open it.
Yeah,
So it's always safe to send it in PDF file. It's like you can just view the document and you don't have to be, the user can't edit it or anything, and they can always access it.
yeah. So that's another scenario. So for this type of things, basically we use the PDF like after creating on the document. But yeah, it's really like hard to, if you want to change a lot of information from by using the PDF editor. Okay, PDF editor is not like handful to change the text. PDF editor is, you can use that for different things. Okay, like if you want to add some PDF elements there, you can do that by using. But whenever you will edit something, make sure you have that document file also. Okay, so that you can easily edit from there. Okay, but don't do this like after creating after converting into the PDF, then you just delete your actual file. Okay, actual document file. So it will be like you will, by PDF editor you will not be able to edit the information the way you can do into the document file. Okay,
Yes, thank you.
okay. So yeah, this is the things. Then also if we go to the file here, also I don't know about the ODT. What is the ODT? And ODT is like download a copy of this document to your computer as an ODT file. Okay, I'm not sure about the ODT. What is the ODT? But yeah, you can download as a PDF. You can download a copy of this file. You can rename this file, and you can also save as this file. So if you export this to PowerPoint presentation, so I don't think it will work, it's just disable. And if you want to print, so just simply click on the print, click on this print this document. And if your printer is connected to your with your machine, with your computer, so just simply you can select your printer from here, and then the page you can select. If you select the all pages, it will print all the pages. If you select like only odd pages only, or even pages only, okay, it will or if you want to custom, like I have 100 pages, but I want to just get 2 to 5, only those pages are 2 to 8. Okay, so to out of bounds page, okay, because I don't have those pages, so I can just give the range of the page, or you can just select only one, that I only want to print the number 2 page. Okay, So you can just give that. And also the color is, you can, if you select the color, then if your document contains some pictures, images, so that it will get the actual color. Otherwise, if you want to